Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You stood and you watched my baby left town. You could have done something, but you didn't try. You didn't do nothing. You let her walk by. Now everyone knows just how much she needed that girl. She wouldn't have gone far away. You told me you'd started ringing your bell. Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You stood and you watched my baby left town. Well, hi there pluckers, so I've sort things again with you with hopefully another interesting little, see, just a purely bit of fun this, okay, this is nothing serious, okay, light-hearted bit, okay, so we are doing an old song from 1966 from a band called the New Vaudeville Band, and a song called Winchester Cathedral, of course, okay, so standard tuning, no capos, I'm doing it in the same key as the original recording, okay, so afraid it's not quite in the right key for my voice, but you just basically for reference only the voice, okay. So this is obviously a single guitar version, okay, so you have to make slight allowances because it's only on one instrument, okay. But let's get to it. So the introduction, the classic introduction. Right, so what am I doing there? Right, so I'm sliding up on the third string, the G string, I'm sliding up from 8 to 9 with my second finger, and then I'm barring the top two strings, the A, the E and the B, on the 8th fret, okay? And I'm going second string, top string. Okay, so second string, top string after the slide, okay? And then just use my third finger to play the 10th fret. Fret 10 of the second string, the B string, okay? Then we move down to the third fret and we basically play exactly the same thing as you've just done up here. So you slide from 3 to 4 on the third string, bar the first two strings on the third fret with your first finger, then you play second string, first string, and then the 5th fret of the second string. Your third finger, okay, so it's exactly the same riff but down here, okay, so then you play that one again, then we play open third, second on the third, then the first on the second, alright, so it's okay. Then I do something that's not on the record, but just a little bit of an artistic license. I'm playing the little build up to the C chord, okay? And I'm doing a bit of palm muting, just back edge of the hand here, resting very lightly on the thick strings, and doing the old, which is third on the 6th, open A string, 5th string, and then the second on the 5th. And then you're into the C chord, and I know on the record, obviously they hum the tune once the way through, okay, instead of singing it they hum the tune, but I'm just going to go straight into the vocals, okay, so C, Winchester Cathedral. Now obviously on the record there's the old, that bit, right, so that's obviously a second instrument or guitar. So I've tried to work it into the sort of the rhythm section. It's not quite the same, but it gives the impression, yeah. So it's like Winchester Cathedral, right? That's right. So it's a slide on the 4th string from 1 to 2, open 3rd, and then 1st on the 2nd. So go to a G chord. You can play it like that or like that, whichever way you want to do it. Okay, so go that Winchester Cathedral. Okay, slowly. Winchester Cathedral. And we're playing the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and then the strum, yeah? Bass note strum, yeah? You're bringing me down. Now we do the second riff, which obviously you've got another guitarist with it, he would be going like this. But I can't do that because I'm on my own. So I'm doing... Because if you're doing this, you're going to get messed up. So you try and keep it close to the chord, yeah? And all that is a slide on the 5th string from 1 to 2, open 4th, open 3rd, and then we're back to the G again. Okay, so from the beginning of the song where it goes Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. Again on the G riff, so that one again. You stood and you watched us, and again C, my baby left town. So once again, up to the beginning of the first verse. Winchester Cathedral, you's bringing me down. You stood and you watched us, my baby left town. And basically it does it just echoes that my baby comes down but very high up, so, and then into the chord again. So all I'm doing there is top E string 8th fret to the 5th fret on the top E, and the same on the 2nd string, 8th fret of the 2nd string, 5th fret of the 2nd. So like I'm using my 3rd finger and 1st finger. You use whichever fingers are more comfortable for yourself. And then back to the C chord again and start the 2nd verse, okay? So let's go for it in the beginning. Slowly. Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You stood and you watched us, my baby left town. 2nd verse. You could have done something, you didn't try, you didn't do nothing, you let her walk by. Exactly the same thing again for the 2nd verse, okay? Then we're back to the C. Now everyone, C7, add your pinky to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, alright? C7, yeah? So when you come out of that, now everyone, C7, knows just how much I needed that F down. Now I'm playing a 4-fingered F, or simple 3-fingered F is fine, 4 down to 1. I like to play the 4-fingered F, so this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and pinky takes over on the 3rd fret on the 4th string. 5 down to 1 now. Or you could play the full bar chord if you so wished, okay, whichever. So whichever F you like, comfortable with, okay, so C. Now everyone, C7, knows just how much I needed that F girl. She wouldn't have D7 gone far away if only you G, stop, started ringing your G7 bell. Build up. So normal verse. Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You watched and you trespass. My baby left town. Stop. And then all I did for the ending is just to go the intro again. I think on the actual record they go oh Bobby Dodo, Bobby Dodo, no, sorry, they sing over the top with that oh boy D-O-Bo or something, whatever it is. You get the idea. Listen to the record, you'll get it, I'm sure. Okay, so they just sing over that to intro for the outro. That's it. I mean, so obviously that's a shortened version. There is obviously quite a few instrumental verses, but they are played exactly the same as the singing verse and the middle section. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. So let's just go through the whole thing very slowly, shall we? Not even slower. Let's do it a little bit quicker than that. Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You stood and you watched as my baby left town. There's something, but you didn't try. You didn't do nothing. You let her walk by. Now everyone knows just how much she needed that girl. She wouldn't have gone far away if only you'd started ringing your bell. Winchester Cathedral, you're bringing me down. You stood and you watched as my baby left town. So there you have it, boys and girls. My very poor rendition of New Vaudeville Band's Winchester Cathedral, just for a laugh. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.